Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this original image for a long time ago. Well, original is black and white. This is the original shot, 35mm black and white film. Well, and I painted yesterday on this. Then I duplicate this layer, change blend mode to overlay 50% to get this image. Well, this is going to be the base image for today. So I'm going to merge down. Then again, well, this is the base image actually. And from here, I duplicate color layer, then change blend mode. This much different, a little bit more color contrast and touch saturated color, maybe better than this one, touch more yellowish. Okay, I'm gonna merge down. Now this is the base image, right? And I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges. So these two images gonna be today's subject to make something interesting image. Alright, okay, let me change the blend mode. Let's see. Let's find out something interesting. Okay, darker color. Interesting expression, isn't it? Changing blend mode. As a photograph or as a painting, I think the color burn or linear burn's fine, I think, except the pencil drawing type image of around her face. This is not too sharp lines. So if I'm going to use this blend mode, I may take these lines off with mask. But this time I want to try something interesting, illustration type image. So like this overlay. This is pretty interesting. Luminosity. This color shows more illustration. I think the color was interesting. Some ground base is nice. Well, maybe just this is the base image, and okay, overall I'm gonna smudge this image. Okay, let me see. Let me try. Duplicate this layer, then turn it off, the base. Then now I'm gonna smudge this image with, Evolve and Gloaming and Little Pine. These three brushes. Now go from Evolve. Now change to Gloaming. Okay, change to Little Pine. More like painting. Give it more texture. pretty much interesting, especially color wise. Pretty nice. I like this. Well, okay, this is one image. I'm gonna fix this. Now this is a 2. I kept this saved already. Variation of this image. Now from here I want to try. Okay, I'm gonna move this smudged image, the base. Then let's see, turn on this original image and pencil drawing type image. Change the blend mode of pencil drawing type image to overlay. Pretty interesting colors. Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer as a group. Just duplicate, then turn it off one group. Now I'm gonna flatten this image. Then let's see, I'm gonna move this one just over this base image, today's original I just made. This is the one. Okay, tap this overlay effect layer. Then I'm gonna make mask, invert mask. Now I'm gonna mask, reveal this mask, painting, oil paint. Kind of strange texture. Yeah, it does have texture. Kind of strange texture, isn't it? Very interesting. I want to see this, another group. Let me see, turn it off this group image. Turn it off this. Well, I'm going to change rename. This is overlay effect, right? I'm only using this much overlay effect layer. Now I'm going to change pencil drawing type image. Blend mode 2. What was kind of dark image? Yeah, color goes kind of muddy. But okay, turn on this base image. Okay, one thing challenge. Alright, now I made this base image, change blend mode to color burn. Same thing, pencil drawing type image, blend mode, color burn as well. So both are color burn, gets this dark image. This group is so much dark effect. So if I want to fix this, I'm going to duplicate this layer original image, go up, then turn it off this base image. Now we are looking at new group effect on this base image. So which means if I flatten this image, this group, flatten, now I'm gonna merge down to get this image, one layer effect. Okay, from here, now I got this dark image, and also I have this overlay light image, overlay effect. Then this is color burn effect. I'm gonna rename. Alright, now we have this base image. We got the color burn effect over this image, and also we have this overlay effect. How can I combine together to this base image? Well, make mask over this dark image, color burn effect. Make mask, invert mask. Now we are looking at the overlay effect layer only over this base image. Now I'm going to reveal this same brush. This oil paint brush texture is moving, so that's interesting. Well, turn off this base image so we know that the overlay from overlay effect layer, this much is from overlay. Then this much is from color burn effect on this original image. But when I take this one out, how much is that? It's not much difference, huh? On this base image. Well, overlay has more, just a touch, lighten up ground some, then color burn this much. Now I'm gonna review these from overlay, kind of yellowish, huh? And this one is dark. Well, some of combination. Okay, so far I think from this base image add both overlay effect and color burn effect some. Okay, so far this is it, but let me see one more push. Well, very top, add layer filling white, then make mask. Now choose brush. Okay, artistic, do hearts. Well, mask it. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.